What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. And new leaks are pouring in, and I mean pouring in. I'm getting 15 to 20 of these a day now, when normally it's like one or two a week. 15 or 20 a day concerning Hellcat motors being put into these Charger bodies. And the leak I got for you today is no exception. It's I don't know. I got this image I'm going to show you, screen grabbed out of the video that was sent to us. And in the event to protect our sources, we'll get into all of that right after this. All right, guys, so before we get into today's video, we got to talk about the giveaway going on the channel. The Ram TRX closed out yesterday. We'll be doing that announcement at some point later this evening, so make sure you stay tuned. The 1969 Charger has launched. That is the Hellcat swapped Charger. We also have the 70 Charger with the 392 swap in it. Both of those are up on the channel. Extra entries are available until they sell out. Once they sell out, and on the 69 Charger, it's already over 50% sold. So once those sell out, it goes back down to $1 for one entry for the rest of the period. I've had a lot of people asking, you know, are we going to get into like demons or anything of that nature? It literally just comes down to if it works out numbers wise for us to do it, and we haven't been at that level yet. These classics that we've done now are kind of our biggest risks that we've done to date, so we'll see how those go. But if you want to get in on either, they're up. You can go learn more about it. Go over to tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com. Again, it's tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com. And I have to give a major shout out to my guy, You Even Lift, on Instagram. If you go over to the original giveaway video, all of his information, contact and stuff is in there as well. If you pick up something from them, whether it's supplements or whatever, we 2x multiply whatever your multiplied entries are. So there is that. But anyways, until next time, let's get into the video. tk'sgarage.bigcartel.com, link in the description down below. So I want to put this up on the screen here. I got this video in, right? And as somebody walking through, I'm going to assume it's probably the same lot that we saw the cars that had the race pack stickers on them. Now, I don't know if these are the same cars or not that say race pack on them. Maybe it says race pack on the other side, Hellcat on the other side. I don't know. I'm only going by what I can see in the video, and the video is about 15 seconds. But unfortunately, look, for my guys, for my Mopar people that are trying to leak stuff and you're sending me videos and stuff, look, I appreciate you. 100% I do. And I'm sure the Mopar faithful appreciates you as well, because they get a little bit of insight into what's coming, right? But do me a favor. If you're shooting a video on the lot or something, and you're trying to show something, don't talk. I mean, I can eliminate your voice in editing, sure. But there's other stuff too, like don't stand right next to the vehicle where the glass can see your whole ass space and your badge on your shirt. Like, oh, just don't. I mean, it's cool if you're just trying to show it to me and I'm not publishing it. That's a different situation. Like if you're sending me something and you say, hey, don't use this video, that is a different situation. I have no problem with that. But anyways, that's where this comes in. We knew that this was coming. This isn't a shock, guys. This isn't like, oh my God, I can't believe this is happening. Oh my God, they're actually going to put a Hellcat. Oh my God. We knew that they were going to put a Hellcat in this car. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Now, we were being told that they were going to call it something else. That's the only thing that's suspicious to me about the Hellcat on the car. Maybe they've changed. Remember, some of these six-pack cars were going to be called Outlaws and all this other weird, dumbass shit. And the SRT guys and Tim came in and was like, nah, we ain't doing that. That's a Scat Pack. Like, we're not doing that. We're just going to call this a Scat Pack. Don't do that. So, keeping that known branding, and believe it or not, I think Tim's talked about this in interviews before, naming of a vehicle is everything. You could literally change the name of a vehicle, put the same powertrain in, and maybe a little bit of a difference in the front fascia or like a body kit, and quadruple the sales of a vehicle. I know he's talked about this before, and that happens. And I think that's why they strayed away from the outlaw shit. And that's probably why they went away from whatever. I was being told that they were going to call it Banshee anyway, whether it was electric or gas, that they were going to use that Banshee moniker, which I could get. Like, you already have the trademark, you have the logo. I could see them doing that. But what does everybody know in the streets, right? What does everybody know that are Mopar guys, kids, people growing up? What is the one name that they've heard consistently, and that it's like the tried and true branding naming for this for these vehicles? Hellcat. So it doesn't surprise me if they're going to continue to use the name, because it works. It's name recognition. People know what it is. So that part doesn't surprise me. But anyways, not a super long video. I just wanted to show you guys this that came in. I've had people asking me about it. We just dropped the 390, not the 392. We dropped the Ram Rumblebee. I don't know if that's going to be an SRT product or not, or if they're going to make an SRT version. I'm getting different leaks, if you want to call those, in about that now, that there may be more than one version of the Rumblebee. I don't know. I can just tell you what I know is coming right now and what that mule is, and that's a 5.7 Hemi with a short bed and a short cab, and it's probably the shortest, lightest pickup truck you're going to get out of Ram, most likely. But there's your Hellcat leak of the day, if that's what you want to call it. And if I get anything else in, like I said, I'm going to be doing some traveling. I got a concert to go to. It's going to be interesting. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see all that shit anyway. But that's where I drop stuff first. So if you're following me on Instagram or Facebook at TK's Garage Vids on the Facebook page, you'll see all of the stuff that we drop before I even get time to do these videos. I'll throw the image up before I even get time to make a video. So there you guys have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. Pay no attention to the collar or none of this other bullshit. This is not me, but this is just for today. And as always, stay petty, my friends. Whoopee!